It's that time of year again where I get asked repeatedly, what would you recommend I get for my woodworking friend or family member? So I put together a little guide for you of tools that every woodworker would love, and maybe it's just for you to send this video to your family members, like a little hint, hint. We're also launching a new product that I know every woodworker is gonna love, and it's also the beginning of our Black Friday sale over at KM Tools. Run now through next Monday. So let's talk about some tools, and please ignore Mr. Bean, who has scared me twice now when I walked through the door of my shop because I forgot he was there. Let's talk about some tools. A year and a half ago, we launched the Bourbon blade with Jason from Bourbon Moth, and it was incredibly successful. About 15,000 of you have that in your shop. And today, I'm excited to launch the Bourbon Blade Mini. The Bourbon Blade has become one of my favorite shop accessories. Having a knife with a flat back, it's like so much more useful that you'll find uses for it every day. It's incredible. Some of my favorites are like cleaning fuzz from the CNC, cleaning off my 3D printer plates. Of course, still comes in left and right-handed. It still has the crossbar lock, which is one of the strongest locks in the game, so you're not worried about it shutting on your hand. It's still a chisel and a knife, but some of the changes we made are it's a little bit shorter at 2 7/8. A lot of people were concerned about a knife over 3 inches because they had strict carry laws in their state or country. So we shortened it, we made it lighter. It's 140 grams, about 20% lighter than the Bourbon blade. The clip is still reversible. We made it a little bit less strong. The Bourbon blade has a very, very strong clip on it, which is designed to, take the abuse that a shop gives. So we made that a little bit less strong spring steel. And then of course the hammer strike. We smoothed that out so you can use it as a burnisher, which was a great idea from, I think, Jason or maybe a comment. But those miters that don't quite connect, you can roll those over, you can sharpen a card scraper with it, and of course you can still hit it with a hammer and do joinery. But one of my favorite things is I don't have to use my super nice chisels. Like, you can beat this up. It's Sandvik 14C 28N, super strong, super easy to sharpen, and because it has a flat back, it makes sharpening really easy. And of course you can sharpen the front of it in the sharpening jig of your choice, or the Katz-Moses sharpening jig. Take advantage of the discount. It won't be on sale again, so Black Friday, it's gonna be a real good deal, and I know every woodworker will love this. It really is one of my favorite shop things. All right, our next tool is my favorite tool we've ever released, which is the Jig Square. This makes making a crosscut sled stress-free and simple. And then we also created a crosscut sled kit. This is my personal crosscut sled. It is the one I made in the Jig Square video. The crosscut sled kit comes with the front and the back fence, as well as 2 runners. You can watch that video to get instructions on how to put it together. You just provide your own base, which I use 24 by 30. And then you just raise your blade, set this in the kerf, and twist the knob, and you just clamp your fence to it, and then shoot screws from the bottom. You have yourself a very square crosscut sled. Of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about my second product of all time from about 8 years ago, the Katz-Moses no deflection universal stop block. Our crosscut sled stuff is amazing, and it makes the most important jig, the first jig you should ever make, and the jig that is most used in woodworking shops, simple and stress-free. All right, next is a KM Tools exclusive. I know you've all heard of the 12-tooth CMT lock Dado, approved in Europe for use, as well as the Sawstop, but they just came out with a 24-tooth. You can only get it at KM Tools. What's the difference? 24-tooth is better for finer joinery cross cuts and cuts that don't require a lot of stock removal. The 12-tooth is gonna leave a rougher finish, but it's gonna be able to hog out a lot more material. So if you want really clean, nice, fine cuts in your walnut and maple, this is gonna be your go-to. And it just got released. This is amazing. This is a Dado I've been using since it came out for the last couple of years. I love it. My favorite part is that you can stack it not on your arbor. So you can stack everything because it locks together, and you can slide the whole thing on as one piece. It comes with magnetic shims that are really cool. Anybody who's tried to stack shims and Dado plates together, you have to do it one at a time. It's a pain in the butt. So I love these, both for the safety features and the ease of use. And now they have a 24-tooth version. So happy to recommend this. This thing is awesome. All right, the next 2 are 2 new products that we just released. I'm deeply proud of these. We filed patents on both of these, and they are an incredible piece of tech for something that has been done the same way for a long, long time. First, the Tooless countersink, which will come in 3 sizes. The bits are on pre-sale, the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, along with their corresponding drill bits. The body comes with the 3/8. It doesn't require a tool to change the depth of the countersink. The reviews have been fantastic on this, and it's incredible. You should go see the launch video. Anybody from a carpenter to a fine woodworker is gonna really appreciate this. And then of course the Sharpening Jig, also on pre-sale. We sold out of both of these within 2 weeks. So the line is starting for the next batch. We're gonna get the Sharpening Jig first and then the countersink. We are gonna air ship in about 1,000 of these. So you may be able to get in on this before Christmas, but we're not guaranteeing it, but we are giving you a discount for Black Friday. So Little benefit for weighting. The sharpening jig is incredible. It has an angle stop that allows you to do any angle from 20 to 35 degrees. It has a magnetic fence that allows you to square the chisel. It has never been easier to get a nice, square, sharp blade than it is with this. So highly recommend these. They've been incredibly popular. The reviews have been fantastic, and they will be discounted for Black Friday. So if you want to get in line on that pre-sale, obviously links down below. But I don't want to keep saying that every time. Let's head to the next tool. Speaking of sharpening jig, when we launched it, we also launched the Zen-Sharp system from Zenwu. And as with everything that Luke makes, it's such a cool innovation. It just is mind-boggling how great it is. Magnetic base, he heat treats it 3 times to ensure it's ultra flat before machining it. And then you have these magnetic cards that stick to it. They're diamond coated, or you have the compound infused strop. You never need to add compound to it. You have the kangaroo leather, but they have these little grooves in there that ensure you get it in there perfect every time. And then, of course, you know, he thought of everything. There's these little grooves in here so that if you do get liquid runoff when you're changing cards, it's actually going to seep out instead of affecting the flatness. But it's the least expensive way to get an incredibly accurate diamond set because these cards are replaceable. I mean, look at the packaging. His packaging design is pretty good, but they're replaceable, they're inexpensive. You know, obviously diamond stones are a consumable, and so when these wear out, you can replace them, and it's a really cool system. I love it, and we just got a bunch of them. We just restocked, so make sure you get on it, because it's probably gonna sell out real fast. All right, next recommendation that I guarantee any woodworker is gonna love is a 16-piece Forstner Bit set from CMT. What makes this so great? Forstner bits get burned up, and I guarantee you're probably running yours too fast. I have a great video where I break down feeds and speeds. In the product description of this, there's a download for a chart where you can get the actual feeds and speeds, and I'd be willing to bet you $100 you're running yours way too fast. So why is this important? Because for Forstner bits, you want really good quality without like it breaking the bank, because they will get dull, and you're gonna be upset if you paid $300 for a Forstner bit kit. So these are like a happy medium, right in between like quality and affordability. So this is like a really good value. And of course, on Black Friday, it's gonna be a great value. This is them in our cleat system, which you see behind me, 3D printed cleat system that we use for tool storage. So highly recommend those. Get that feeds and speeds chart. Even if you don't buy this, I highly recommend you run your bits slower. My third video when I started taking this YouTube thing seriously was customizing my apron. It was putting a leather square holder here and a marking knife holder here, because when you want to mark something, you need things right where they're supposed to be. And nothing that I had protected my square, which is supposed to be a precision marking device, and let me keep a marking knife in my pocket without potential stabbing me. That is why I created this apron. This is off of my original design from almost 10 years ago, and it keeps your square. They have left-handed and right-handed versions, so this is a right-handed because you write with your right hand and hold your square with your left. It's got a hammer loop for your joinery mallet, and it has 1 million pockets. We do 20-ounce wax canvas, which is like 4 times thicker than a Carhartt jacket, and you could wipe your glue on it, which pisses so many people off. Whenever I do this, people say it looks like snot or it's gross. I used to work at Sherwin-Williams when I was in high school, and I matched paint, so every time you had to take the Dado paint on the top, I would wipe it on my apron. So that's where I got that habit. And it's a great tool, and it's affordable, and it's a great gift that any woodworker is gonna love. Next one of my favorites, the Tamar 3x3 router jig, along with the accessory router table. This is an incredible tool by itself. It comes with a bunch of accessories, fences, extension pieces. But the thing that is great about it is it's this really wide base. Using a palm router just with the base it came with can be really tippy. But when you have all this support area, even on the smallest pieces like this, you're gonna get really accurate roundovers, and it's gonna be really easy to use. But what makes it so much better is you can get this flat pack router table. It comes flat pack. You put it together. We have a really awesome instruction manual. But this is a small shop, easy to use portable router table. With the proliferation of battery routers, you can take this to your work. You can take it anywhere you want to go. Do roundovers, dados, grooves, rabbets, the whole thing, at your workbench or at your workpiece or outside on your sawhorses. So I use this more in my big router table now because it's just so easy to set up. It's easy to change the depth, everything, it's right there, and the battery makes it so awesome that I don't have to go all the way over there to my router table. So this is a real good one. Let's talk about the next one. All right, the next thing that any woodworker would love is high quality consumables. Obviously, you've seen my robot arm sanding test on the 3M Cubitron and Extract. It changed the game in sanding. Nobody makes sandpaper that good, and the industry's still trying to catch up. So high quality 3M sandpaper, as well as the CMT saw blades and blade cleaner. The full kerf is the chromium line, incredibly high quality. The engineers at CMT, they did the lock Dado. They're really good at making saw blades. They stay cooler longer and stay sharper longer because heat is the enemy of sharpness. Their thin kerf line is the ITK line. If you got a contractor saw or a lower powered table saw, you're gonna really like these. And of course, this blade cleaner, it just works. The reason your saw blade is probably dull is it just has pitch on it, which is the sap in wood. It builds up on the teeth. Spray this on there, use a wire brush, let it sit for 2-3 minutes, and you can just wipe it off with a towel. Works really well. It's really inexpensive. It's worth buying to keep with your consumables. It works on router bits too, so high quality consumables is something that every woodworker will be super happy to have under their tree this year. All right, next one is an innovative product we just launched from Andy Klein, and it's called the Blade Square. It's for squaring your bandsaw table or setting it to any degree really, really accurately. And it has 8 neodymium magnets that allows it to sit on any blade from an 1/8 inch to infinity. And the way you do it is you take your blade square, magnetize it to the back of the blade, set your digital angle finder to 0, and then you can set it on your table. Not only set it to any degree, but you can set your stop. And the reason why this shines is especially on smaller bandsaws, it's a very big bandsaw. The guide only goes, up to 5.5, 6 inches, and the zero clearance insert is garbage. It sits below the surface. So it's really hard to adjust your table with one hand, set your stop with the other, and just leave a square sitting here. So it really shines with smaller bandsaws and really small blades that are tough to set a square against with sawtooth set. I just did a short on it and all its features, probably the last few shorts that we posted. Let's head over to the table saw and talk about something that every woodworker is gonna love that works on the bandsaw, table saw, the jointer, and all your tools with a cast iron table. Obviously, for your woodworker friends and family, safety is a #1 priority, and the table saw and the bandsaw can both benefit from a featherboard. They come in lots of shapes and sizes, and what they do is they keep you safe in the beginning of your cut. You obviously have your riving knife, which should be in every table saw, which protects from the back of the cut, or if you're using a Dado, you don't have a riving knife, but a featherboard is what keeps it against the fence and allows you to use a single push stick to push it through. And the reason I like these mag switch magnetic featherboards is you can set them right before the front of the blade, push it in, and just set it on, and it's gonna be something you can put everywhere. These don't always work in the miter slot, and over on the bandsaw, the miter slot is way too close to the blade to use these, but these mag switch ones you can use anywhere. They work great. You can use them on the jointer when you're edge jointing if you want. And this one's really cool. It has a feature where you can butt crosscuts up against it by setting it over here. So these mag switch featherboards are something that any woodworker are gonna love. So let's head over to the bench and do one more. Last but not least would be my first product I ever released, the Katz-Moses magnetic dovetail jig. It makes cutting dovetails, it takes 90% of the learning curve out. I'll link a really good video down below. I've been a big proponent of woodworkers practicing their craft on a regular basis, especially hand-cut jointing. These are some really fun things that I did, like double inlaid dovetails, or this is a dovetail alignment board. And what that does is it allows you to get better when you need to get out of a jam, because if you're good and confident with your saw, when you need it and you can't take something that's glued up over to a power tool, you're gonna make the right choice and do something great. Now these are awesome because they have 10 pounds of pulling pressure, super strong, hold your saw and help you cut dovetails and make boxes, or you can just practice your joinery like this. So that's the list, guys, and I guarantee everything in this video your woodworking friend, family member, or even you is going to love. So, and make sure you head over to KM Tools, take advantage of that Black Friday Cyber Week sale. And of course, I will personally be matching up to $10,000 in donations to the Katz-Moses Woodworkers with Disabilities Fund. So you can donate on the homepage, checkout, or in the About section. Guys, stay safe in the shop. Thank you so much.